Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private and you will be able to hide your content, your posts, your videos, and the most important, everything that you're interested in. Let's launch the TikTok app first. So the first step that you want to click is on the lower right corner. Click on your profile. When you're at your profile, I want you to go ahead and hit the three straight lines on the top right. Then I want you to click on Settings and Privacy. When you're at your Settings and Privacy menu, I want you to scroll down and focus on the section that is called Account. Then click on Privacy. Then I want you to click on Private Account. As you can see over here, when we turn on the private account function, now with the private account, only users that we approve, our current followers or the future followers, will be able to see our content, meaning that if somebody look for our account, they will find it, but the only thing that they're gonna see is our profile picture and handle and any bio that you input in. Anything else will be hidden: our likes, our shares, our videos, everything that we're interested in, any duets, any collaborations, everything that was created and published by us will not be visible. Let me show you what actually changes if we go back to the public account. If you go back to the public account, anyone will be able to see our content. Anyone will be able to create a duet from our content and collaborate with our content, create remixes. Anyone will be able to stitch our videos and download our videos. So understand that if you have a big audience, right, and you want to prevent other people stealing your content, downloading your videos, right, making a bank or making content out of your content, you can simply start making content for your own followers, for your own community, by making your account private. Only the people who are on your following list right now will be able to see it. You got my point, right? For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.